Hi, I'm Ninta. I'm a Japanese Live2D rigger. In this video, I will describe why some pro Live2D rigger make empty parameters for body and face angle motions. This video's contents are split into two parts. The first part is regulation of inertial forces by using empty parameters. The second part is how to set up empty parameters. First chapter is regulation of inertial forces. First, I describe the reason why I add the empty parameters. I intend to add the tiny bounce when the avatar turns to the side direction. Since in real life, normal people suddenly can't stop their heads due to inertial forces. For instance, this kind of force occurs when a car stops in the front of a crosswalk. So the riggers are tiny bounces for recreating with real human motions. Look at these avatars. The comparison shows the difference between normal and having empty parameters. Empty parameter is bounce effect. And bounces make the angle motion get more realistic. So far I've shown the comparison and explained about empty parameter effects. Then I'll show you the processes of making the empty parameter. The second chapter, how to set up empty parameters. At first I set up an angle original parameter as a face tracking input parameter. And an angle outlet parameter as a bounce output parameter. After setting up them, open the physics setting tab. I set the physics input output. I put images here. This is the value of input and output. Please check it. The result is like this. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. I want to explain and introduce Live2D tree I developed. So this site is collecting Live2D information like this. And I also classify these posts, YouTube video and Twitter posts, and by using tags. For example, you want to find for beginner tweet and videos, you select beginner tags and push the select tags. You can find for beginner tweet and videos. The users are posting new Live2D information on this site. So if you are interested in this site, please sign up this site. Thank you.